Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Remember, if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language courses we offer. Some of you will be familiar with the idea of flipped learning, where the teacher sets as homework exercises that maybe in the past might have been done in class. Now, this works very well so long as everyone in the class does the tasks you ask them to do, and so long as your lessons don't depend on it happening. And I've learned this myself the hard way on several occasions. Last week I was doing an online class where I was hoping that everyone in the class had done some reading that I'd asked them to do before the lesson. As I was about to put everyone into breakout rooms, one of my students was very honest and admitted that she had prepared the wrong pages. She'd got mixed up and looked at the wrong thing. And so she wasn't ready to discuss the text I'd asked everyone to read. To try to deal with this, I thought I would put her in a breakout room with two other students so that she could listen to what they had to say and learn from them. I set up the breakout rooms and decided to zap around and monitor what was going on. When I came to this particular breakout room, I very quickly realised that none of the people in the room had actually done the reading. It's just that only one of them had been honest enough to own up to this fact. And as I realised that none of them had done the reading, and as a result, none of them were really able to do the discussion that I'd asked them to do, and that they were sitting there, scratching their heads in some confusion, I commented that it was the blind leading the blind. If you say that it's the blind leading the blind, you mean it's a situation where a person who knows nothing or almost nothing is getting help or advice or guidance from another person or group of people who also know nothing or almost nothing. So in a sense, when COVID first struck and many of us had to move online to try to start working and start teaching, for quite a while it was the blind leading the blind, because no one really had much clue about how best to organise online learning, which platforms to use, how to do things in a way that made sense to us. You might also say, for example, if a friend of yours asks you to help them repair something or try to fix a computer or have a look at their car, you might respond by saying, listen, I'm happy to try and help, but it's the blind leading the blind, because I've never done this kind of thing myself before either. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people watch the videos and find out more about what we do. Please do share the video with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of times when you thought it was the blind leading the blind.